ko lang magtrabaho. Gusto ko lang tapusin nyo na yung show ninyo dyan sa House of Representatives para makabalik na kami. Ito itong ginagawa ko eh. Putang ina, hindi mo pala gusto ginagawa mo eh. Bakit mo sinisira ang pangalan ko? Suwa.
I think we have two more.
Ang ina ninyo.
I think that will be the last. All right, that will be the last.
Council, that's the 7 timestamps.
Let me confirm, Attorney Magallon. Okay, we have one more. We have two more, Your please. I was told we have two more timestamps, Your please.
Two more.
Thank you.
Martin. Nangangampanya tayo. Magkatabi tayo. Nagre-reklamo ka, putang ina ka, walang pera.
And the last one.
Maalis mo man ako sa presidential days, hindi pa rin ikaw ang presidente, tingina mo. Walang buboto sa'yo. Please lang.
Okay. Thank you.
Wala.
So, Your Honor,